Now let's have a look of how to input the equations for the handle pin. Double click on this component, and this is very simple. It's let's give the equation based on the length, because we consider this as an overall part. We are going to insert the equations. So variables length times parentheses 130 over 125. Enter. Select this dimension. Width times 7.5 over 50. Now another thing that you need to know, this is very important. Previously, from the vice body tutorial, the equations, we input the value of this circle to be updated according to the value of the width, right? So any other circle in this assembly has to be updated according to the width. This is very important, because if you select this to be updated based on the width, this based on the length, this based on the height, your whole design, your whole assembly is going to be a disaster. It's going to be a massive disaster. So keep that in mind and keep going. Double click on this surface. Select this dimension. Add equation, select this dimension. Global variables, this is the width, times parentheses 30 over 50. Right. Now let's move to the fixed pin. Double click on the fixed pin here.